While we are witnessing a new world of work, a new world, a new generation of employees and workers is emerging too, which is known as Generation R. Now we'll discuss what Generation R is later on in the video, but before we begin, let's dive deep into what Generation R, why is this Generation R coming up? This is coming up because of the pandemic and the lockdown that followed. Fact check, this generation includes people from all the generations, all the 5 generations that are currently working. Why? Because the constraints that they faced in the remote work model and the other things, that the changes that happened were the same. This brings us finally to the question, what is Generation R and why has it started thinking alike? So Generation R is basically a generation of workers and employees that has emerged in the lockdown phase. In the course of lockdown, in the course of this pandemic, generation has changed the way they think of their future. They have changed the worldview, they have embraced the change, and they have learned new skills. Generation R is comprised of those people who have learned new skills, who have upskilled themselves, who have reskilled themselves, who have embraced the change rather than criticizing it, who have readjusted their view, how they perceive world, how they think their future is going to be. They are much more prepared for the future, they are much more prepared right now, they are much more resilient. Now the best part is that this generation is focusing on ways to achieve productivity while they are trying to strike and being able to strike the balance between work and personal life. Now let's look at some of the characteristics of Generation R together. First thing, they have learned at least one new skill in this lockdown. Secondly, they now know that the future of work is very blurred. Now that they have learned a new skill, they also want to have multiple sources of income and not just rely on their jobs or anything else. Now the third thing, they also want to try new things and new job roles once the things are back to normal. Now this generation, Generation R, has also started believing that technology, when combined with work from home and flexibility, makes them their most productive self. So basically they have learned to juggle between and find a balance between their work and personal life. Apart from that, the last characteristic that we would like to tell you is that Generation R is more careful with their actions related to the society and environment, because now they have realized that every action, every person, whatever they do counts and makes a difference to the environment and the society. So they are like a little bit more careful with everything that they do. The real question is what this means for your business and how can you be the company that is loved by Generation R. The first thing being that you have to offer them mobility and give them challenges while they are working with you, because otherwise they'll go for a gig outside because they are looking for multiple sources of income. Why not make them do work in a gig-based situation, keep on trying new things inside the office so that they don't have to look outside and you get the work done too. The second most important thing is providing your Generation R people and everyone in the company working with you flexibility. This is really important because now employees are accustomed to working from home. They, as much as they want to move out of their house, they have now built a habit of working from home and they are now kind of good at it. So they would expect flexibility, they would want work from home option too, they would want flexibility in work timings too. So there's a lot of rethinking you need to do around that portion. Not thinking alone of the company but about their employees too. Empathy is something that this pandemic has instilled in everyone, everywhere. Talking about the third way to embrace Generation HR, it's that you have to keep working on your work culture. While you are continuing to be more empathetic, you also have to keep changing your work culture as per the new things that you might have to face and deal with. The last thing that you can do is to give them purpose-driven opportunities. Know that they care about the society and the environment a little or a lot more than they used to earlier, and this is why it is important for you to be a part and support their initiative while they are working at your place. Let them take initiatives, take some initiatives on your own for the welfare, wellness of the society, your employees and the environment, and they'll be yours. They actually truly wholly will be yours. So let us know in the comments how you found this video. Was this helpful? Was this not? Also, don't forget to type yes if you think you belong to Generation R.